Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the penguin. You can use in a winter, New Year and Christmas. For that I will tell you about the quick brief about what we required: scissor, cooling tool, cutter, round dials, different color, different sizes, glue and some strips. So we need, and also googly eye. For face we need 297 mm strip. For wings and the black body part 292, 92, 97 same shape. White 297, yellow 75, white 75 for the clouds. Feet 175, 150 orange. Blue for the you can see the water. And for the face we need 150 mm orange. So let's get started friends to make the stuff for the greeting card cover. So finally friends, we got our stuff: penguin, watershed and the sky clouds. Okay, I already stick all the stuff for penguin. Just have to put here. You can find out where you have to put the clouds. You can see I didn't put the glue because it takes time. So finally friends, we complete our greeting card cover for the new year.